This water sports distributor has a 52,000 square foot warehouse that uses a pick and pass order fulfillment strategy with 2 picking zones. They use 3 Kardex shuttles to manage 4,500 small part SKUs in only 360 square feet in Zone 1, while rack and shelving are used to store an additional 400 larger item SKUs in Zone 2. The operator creates a batch of up to 8 orders and assigns each order to a tote located on the batch station. When ready, the operator starts the fulfillment process and the Kardex shuttles move to retrieve the pots required for the selected orders. The operator works round robin, picking all SKUs from the Kardex shuttles and putting them into the order totes until all pots for the order are filled. When an order is complete, the operator pushes the tote onto take-away conveyor. If the order requires SKUs from Zone 2, the tote is routed to the large item rack and shelving area, where an operator adds the additional SKUs to the order. If the order is complete, it is routed directly to shipping.